It's easy to invite members to your team in TextPlay and also change the role of a member. Log in to TextPlay and navigate to the page Users. Click on Invite User. Fill in the email address, name, and which role you want the person to have in the team. Then click on Invite, and the person will be added here in the list, and the status will be set to pending. The person you invite will receive an email with instructions to join the team. And when the person has joined, the status will change from pending to active. As a team owner, you can do some settings for the team members. Click on the three dots to the right, and here we can, for example, change the role of a member or delete the member from the team.